doing some logging operations here. So I'm going to go on through. Well, apparently there's no more forestry trucks coming. He's the only forestry truck on the road. Funny, 3 big fat forestry workers all standing around doing nothing, and not one of them would bother to just open the 2 gates and close them again for me. So I had to get out and do both of them, and they all just stood there watching me. Friendly people. This is a beautiful section of road. Tree ferns everywhere. Jungle. It's a rumble in the jungle. Massive trees. Beautiful. And here's the lock gate. Supposedly only high clearance, low range vehicles can come down here, so let's see how the Forester goes. Rain is forecast today and tomorrow, but I think only 5 mils, so should be alright coming up again. But if it gets too wet, we're going to have to stay down here for 2 or 3 days until it dries out again. Should be fun. Yep, pretty steep. So we'll use the old X mode to go down. Well, the river's looking very inviting. While it's still nice and warm, I think I have to have a swim. Woo! Oh, thank you. So good. Well, this is the view from campsite 9, the last one at this end. Very gorgeous. Well, settled in, a relaxing afternoon with a few swims and reading some book. Yeah, it's not a bad view from a bedroom window. Really nice place to have a rooftop tent. Well, the wind's getting up. I would say that it's raining up there, top of the mountain. And maybe starting to come in over here too. Let's hope it rains early and then finishes so I can get out tomorrow. But I think there are lots worse places to be stuck. Well, it's a misty morning and a tiny bit of drizzle, but really we've only been 1 mil of rain overnight. So it should be okay to drive out. Fingers crossed. For those that are interested, see if we made it up easily. At the Wollomombi Falls again. Been here many times before and there's rarely much water going over it. Apparently when the river's flowing well, flow rate can surpass 3.5 billion litres every day. It's the highest waterfall in New South Wales at 260 metres, sometimes called the highest in Australia, but I think that's probably Wollomombi Falls up in northern Queensland.
I'm so scared to step into this ride. What if I lose my heart and fail the climb? I won't forgive me if I give up trying. I heard his voice today.
Yep, that is one big gorge. Yeah, it's wild and woolly country down there, all right. Last look at Wollomombi Gorge. I'm heading back a bit north to try and get out of the rain. This is Baker's Creek Falls, which drops down into the Chandler River, Lemmy Gorge down there. Well, there's Chandler River viewpoint from Long Point, and you can see absolutely nothing. I might camp up here tonight. This is at Long Point and Oxely Wild Rivers again. And then I'll come back tomorrow morning and have a look. Well, I've got a semblance of a fire going on this rather cold, bleak day up at 1,500 metres here at Long Point. We've got the shelter shed. I'm going to stay here and put the tent up in the campground later on after I'm ready for bed. Smoking. How's that for a slug? It's a beauty. We haven't barbecued. Cool. He's on a journey up the tree by the looks of it. Wonder why. Lamb steaks, potatoes, broccoli and carrots. It's going to warm the cockles up. This is the dry rainforest. Very rare and unique habitat. The Oxely Wild Rivers National Park. Not much of it left in Australia. Well, the next morning the clouds have lifted on Chandler River view. You can actually do a 3 to 4 day walk from here at Long Point right up this valley back to Wollomombi Falls. It's supposed to be a fantastic walk, all off track of course. This is the Metz Gorge lookout. Once again, Oxely Wild Rivers National Park. And down the bottom there is the remains of the old Baker's Creek gold mine. It was started in 1887. When this mine closed in 1921, it had yielded 7.5 tons of gold. Pretty incredible. There's even a nice little picnic area and I guess unofficial campsite here with picnic tables, fireplaces and a toilet. There's a little interesting thing I found on Google Maps. It's an old mine shaft. Must be bats in here.
However long I stay, I will always love you. Whatever word I say, I will always love you. I will always love you. Whenever I'm alone with
It's been for quite a long way. Well,
you, make me feel
there's a big hole down there, but I don't think I'm going any farther down that ladder. Just to be on the safe side.
I'm alone.
And then he walked into the hole. Oops. There's another shaft going off down here.
Me feel like I am clean.
Goes down a long way by the looks of it.
However far away,
Go on.
I will always love you.
Maybe it's probably enough exploration.
I will always love you.
Well, I've come back to Armadale and I've come around to have a little potter around Dangar Gorge area, which is once again still part of the Oxely Wild Rivers National Park. This was the site of the first ever commercial hydroelectricity scheme in Australia in 1890. This waterhole here is known as the Blue Hole. It's a very popular swimming spot in summertime. I'm doing part of the Thunderbolts walk, which follows the old hydroelectricity scheme downriver to the gorge itself.
However far away, I will always love you. However long I stay, I will always love you.
This would have been a long section of flume to dig out. More concrete flume for the water race. If you had plenty of time here, it would be a great walk to explore along the base of this gorge. Of course, you'd have to be prepared to swim a fair bit, I think.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that
Well, the end of a very pleasant 5.5k easy walk on the edge of a wilderness area. Dangar Gorge. That is Dangar Falls.
old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find
The old Crimson Rosella.
like you.
I don't get to see them very often except when flash by with their brilliant red and blues.
But the best
Like that.
Sometimes it lasts and love, sometimes it
And this is Rock Wallaby Lookout.
You
Whoa.
know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time.
It's actually downstream that way. The river runs right down to that corner and must go around the right, because this is upstream. It's around here, around this big rock outcrop, and back around to Dangar Falls.
I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face.
There's a nice night here at Dangar Falls camping site. You've got to watch out for these possums, because you're sitting down relaxing and suddenly they're on your table. Don't you know that a woman who loved me? There's a possum with a baby on its back.
Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how?
Well, here's another little bit of folkloric history. Supposedly Thunderbolts Cave. It's again the famous bushranger in the 1890s. He's got places all over this part of the country where he used to hide out, apparently. And this was one of them. Whether it's true or not, who knows? I guess you could have been quite comfortable in here, quite well hidden from prying eyes up in the forest. Nice cave. And that's all you can see from the top.
Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.